Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got another quick box opening. This one's going to be a little bit different because I don't know that I care about the watch that much. So I don't know if you guys have heard of a charity called I Heart Dogs. Well, one of their watches popped up in my news feed, so I decided to check it out. The watch was $45. And when you buy anything off of I Heart Dogs site, it goes to either feed shelter animals or it helps pair service dogs with military, or even I saw some of their stuff will help provide body armor for canine police dogs. Now, and the interesting thing about the watches is they had three versions. One helped feed shelter animals, one helped pair veterans with a service dog, and one helped provide body armor for police canines. All of which I think is super cool. I mean, you paired two of my favorite things together, dogs and watches. Now that being said, they also have a whole lot more of other products. I mean, they had beer steins and t-shirts and toys. If you buy a toy for your dog, it provides a toy for a shelter animal. If you know, and the really cool thing is every product tells you what it does or how it helps. The watches all were $45, and if you buy one, it provides 15 meals for shelter pets, or like I said, helps pair veterans with a shelter dog or service dog and provides body armor. So if you buy the police one, and each one are on these paracord straps, which is not something I've had before. The one that helps pair veterans with a service dog is on a green paracord strap, and the one that helps provide armor for the police dogs is on a black paracord strap with a blue stripe. So I mean, it's just a pretty simple, basic, clean watch. I know it's 3/16L stainless, it's water resistant, not very much. I wouldn't go swimming or anything with it, nothing crazy. But it's got a cool buckle, you know, nothing super crazy. Like I said, for me the watch is kind of secondary. I was more excited about the charity aspect and the fact that when you buy something off of the site, it helps animals, which, you know, both of my dogs, you guys may have heard in the background a time or two, are rescue dogs. So I definitely have a soft spot for dogs, and I love this idea. I think this charity is super awesome. There's a ton of stuff on their site. There's a lot of information about animals on their site, and overall it's super cool. I plan on buying more stuff from there just because I love the aspect that it helps the shelter animals. Oops, sorry guys, bumped the camera as I'm trying to put it on. My first paracord strap here, and it is pretty thick. We'll take a look at it on wrist. Like I said, pretty simple, pretty basic. I'm not sure if I'll do a follow-up review on this one or not, because for me it wasn't really about the watch, it's more about the charity and what it does for the animals. I will share a link in my comments below or in the description of the video for I Heart Dogs website, and a link straight to the watches if you want to check them out. Let me know what you guys think of this and what you guys think of the charity. I think it's pretty awesome. As always guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.